The menu for today is chicken afritada. It's Filipino food. Guys, what's how I do?
Hello, Kalab Cooking! This is Untitled Show. Welcome back to my channel.
Guys, let's get started. Heat the pan and pour cooking oil. Fry the potato and carrot. Cover to cook immediately. When it cooks, take out and set aside. Marinate the 1 kilo of chicken in soy sauce. In 1/2 cup of vinegar, one spoon of knorr seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black ground pepper. Mix well with clean hand to incorporate the ingredients. And then soak for 30 minutes. If already soaked, then fry a little. Reduce the oil and don't wash the pan because it adds spice. Saute the garlic and onion. Garlic and onion can be sauteed at the same time for less time. And then add the marinated chicken broth. Add 1 glass of water. And then add the fried chicken. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Add fish sauce for more tastier. Add black ground pepper. And then add the 200 grams of tomato sauce. For more tastier, add chicken cubes. Then add the sliced red bell pepper and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar for balanced taste. Lastly, add the fried potatoes and carrots and simmer for 3 minutes. Love cooking, the chicken afritada is done. Guys, thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video nito. Tsaka sana huwag kayong magsawa. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to click the notification bell for my new upload sent to you. And if you have a comment, please comment down below. So guys, bye-bye for now. See you on my next cooking show. Bye!